not working. So I thought I will do with simple two-way binding. Are you all listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I need to use form builder, I need to use mat design. So this normal HTML design is not working with form builder. So what I have done, I have just done for two field alone, I have done ng model two-way binding. I have declared to these two variables here. Have declared these two. What? Sorry? Vivek is at waiting room. All right. I'm sorry. Admitting. Admitted. Okay. So as I have not designed my form using material design, this form builder is not working. No problem. I have done it using ng model. When you try using form builder, this is another way. You can do with this also. You can do like this also using your form builder also. Using two-way binding, I have captured the data which you are entering in your two text boxes, F name and L name. Now what I'm doing here, simple condition. If this dot first name and this not last name, if it is available, or also you can use anything. If any one field is available, then you can ask this confirmation. If these fields are not available, you will not ask this confirmation. I am switching back. I'm clicking on sign in. I'm not entering fields. When I want to go back to home, it is going back. I have entered any one field. Any one field, if I have entered also, I should not go back. This is the logic behind. If you have entered some data, then you should not, it should not allow you to go back. If you have not entered anything, your entire form is blank. Your entire form is blank. Then in that case, it should allow you to go back. Can you understand the logic now? Yes. Can I get the response?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So only if some fields are there, I have to check this condition. For that, I have to use either forms builder or any form controls or form group. Using anything. When I'm using form builder, I have to use form group, or else I can use form controls and retrieve. But these things, form builder, form groups, everything will work only with materials. As I have designed a simple form, I'm using simple two-way binding. So nothing much I have done. I have created a sign up component. I have designed a form. I have named it, named two fields with F name and L name, binded it with my variables F name and L name. And one method is checking and returning me a confirmation message. Returning, it is similar to alert, predefined. If this dot F name or this dot L name, I'm doing this. So am I supposed to call this can exist method on some click? No, I don't want to call it on a click. When this has to be called? When you go to sign up page, it has to call. So where I am mapping it? I am mapping it in my app routing. In my app routing, I have mapped it. Now what this sign up guard is doing? Sign up guard is calling this component object dot can exist. So this component object is an object of my sign up page. From here, it is calling can exit. Now only can exit is executed. It will check any of the field is having value, either F name or L name is having value. Then you print this. If it is not having, you return true. True means it will navigate. If it is returning true, where it will go? It will go to my guard. From guard, where it will go? It will go to my routing. If routing returns true, this navigation will take place. Navigation, what this page is doing, will take place. Am I clear? Should I wait long for the answer? Should I repeat this or is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat?
Yeah, okay. See, I have designed a sign up page and I have given the link of sign up page in home.html. So when I click on this sign up, 9 is taken, 9 is going to routing, 9 is taking me to sign up component.html. So sign up component.html is loaded to me. So when sign up component.html is loaded, can deactivate is performing. So what can deactivate is doing? Where is it? Here. Can deactivate is performing. What this can deactivate is going to do? It is going to do some conditions based on this page, based on the logic which is written in this guard. What this guard is doing? This guard is overriding can deactivate method and calling component object is an object of your sign up component. It's calling can exit method. Can exit method is called from here. Can exit method is checking whether any of the data, F name, L name, whichever you have entered, whichever you have anything you have entered, it is checking. It is checking these two variables. What is these two? These two are your variables which is binded by two-way. If you have entered any data here, then it is giving you a confirmation message. Do you want to leave without saving? If you suppose you have not entered anything, if both the fields are empty, then in that case it is returning you true. True means I will navigate. So either it is returning true or this message will come back to your guard. Guard is returning it to your routing. Routing will say this to this component. Sign up component, from here you can move out, you cannot move out. From sign up, I can go to next page, I cannot go to next page. That is decided with the return value of this. If it is returning true, sign up can be changed to other page. But if it is returning a confirmation message, it is similar to false, I will not go out of this page. So when I'm coming here, when I click on sign up, if nothing, F name and L name is empty. F name also, L name also, I'm keeping empty. When I'm keeping empty and clicking on home page, it is working. It is going. Why? Because guarding is checking condition whether F name or L name is having value. Both are not having value. It is returning true. So my routing is allowing me to move to further page. Routing is allowing me to move to further page. From sign up, I can go to another because routing is giving me true. Suppose if I have entered anything here, and when I click on home page, see, routing is not allowing me. Why? Because what my routing is doing, calling my guard which is sign up guard. Sign up guard is calling my can exit method. What can exit method is doing? It is giving me a confirmation message. Do you want to really leave from this page? You have not saved your content. If I say yes, then it will move. If I say cancel, it will not move. Got it?
Understood.
Anybody else? Any other queries?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'm trying to make things as simple as possible so that the logic has to fix in your mind and you have to implement these things in your projects, in your further applications, MCs, everywhere. Okay, let me. So the same for here also, status page or some page when they are filling up, it should not eShop application user privileges, update order status, update page. In the update page, when they are clicking back, it should not go. Same logic, same coding, no changes. Dash parameter is passed to the can deactivate method of can deactivate guard so that the method can be called on the component on whom the guard is applied. What is this? I'm asking you here simply. What parameter is this?
Sign up component.
Sign up component. Sign up component is of can deactivate type, right? Sign up component is of can deactivate. What is this? What you will say this? Something with arrows. Your can deactivate is working for which type, which data type? What do you say if it is inside this angular brackets?
Non-generic type.
Generic, right. Can deactivate can work for only one component. It is generic of any one component type. So what do you say here?
First one.
Generic component parameter is passed to the can deactivate. Adding a guard to lazy loading feature. So from lazy loading feature, we will see tomorrow. Not now. It's already too late. So from 34, we will do tomorrow. Any queries till now? Any queries till now?
No, ma'am.
All right. Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'm anyhow again compressing my SRC and giving it to you. For any queries, you can refer to it. Can load alone very quickly in the fresh morning. We will start tomorrow of can load.